Welcome back to Let Us Learn to Lead video series on free open source software designed by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Self-learning contents in video form on GeoGebra, a dynamic mathematics software, is presented at this video series. To view the contents, you may join Google Classroom by using the class code 73AUMBVU. In this video, you will learn designing a worksheet for evaluating determinants. We will just take only 2x2 and 3x3. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, licensed version, GeoGebra 5.0, a free open source software, and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. Let me show you what type of worksheet we will be designing. We will ask the children to evaluate a determinant 2x2, maybe in the beginning. And this worksheet will generate any number of problems. For example, I will click this new problem, then automatically a new number comes. Child can see what is the step number 1, what is the step number 2, what is step number 3, what is the answer. And you can show them the way how to do this, evaluate this determinant also. In the same way, highly interesting thing is about this evaluating a 3x determinant, and it can be done by 6 different ways, by any row or any column. Now I have designed one worksheet where if a child click this first row, now the expansion through the first row will be shown to him. Second row, only the second row expansion will be shown. Third row expansion will be shown. First column, second column, and third column. And you can verify that you can give the problem to 6 different children and ask them to do it as per the first row or the row, and can be fixed for the child. And we can find out whether they are getting the same answer. Again, you can go to the new problem. Once again, you can repeat the process. Now let us try to design this dynamic worksheet from scratch. It is very simple. I will tell you that how to show the determinant and the matrix. That is more than enough for you. Okay, you can do it. Okay, now I have taken a GeoGebra Classic 5 worksheet where I will remove this axis. Now I want evaluating two cross two determinant. Okay. Now as I told you that if you have the numbers generated, then it will be highly interesting for the children also. For generation, you have to take small a is equal to, I want ABCD random between RAN, it will automatically come. Now you choose the number you want for the child. It may be from -5 to 5, -10 to 10, or -25 to 25. It is left to you. Now I will go for -10 to 10 just for practice. Now I have to do this again and again. Therefore copy it, Control C. Then B is equal to, then C is equal to, then D is equal to. Now you see this GeoGebra worksheet will automatically evaluate the determinant value provided the numbers are written in matrix. Therefore I want a matrix to be formed. Therefore let me go for the matrix formation. Already you know it. First curly bracket, again curly bracket, A comma B in the first row, come out, then comma once again inside the bracket, once again curly bracket, C comma D. Sorry, I think there is a mistake we did. Okay, let me do it once again. Okay, A comma B, I think comma was not put, most probably, comma, once again I check, then C comma D. Okay, where everywhere comma should be there, then enter. You see, you got the matrix. Okay, now you see determinant value can be, okay, I will tell you how to get the determinant value. Okay, now you can go to the problem now. You have to go to it problem now. You can ask the children that find latex formula. In the latex formula, go to bracket. Here you are having the bracket for determinant. Inside it, you type capital A. Okay, find, I think if you want, you can give a space to it also to make it nice. Again space for, okay, then again space, capital A is equal to. Is it necessary to type the matrix? No need. Go to the object and then simply click that M1. Now the matrix has come automatically. Now you want to generate this problem. Already I have told you what should be done. Go to this ABC, go to this OK button. There you type new problem. Problem will be created automatically by GeoGebra. You type there capital U P D A T E, capital C C O N S T R U C T A O N. Please remember, whenever you type this GeoGebra script perfectly, then only the red color will be converted into black. Otherwise it will be red only, which means that you are wrong. Press enter, press OK, escape. New problem is going on, create. Well, now you can tell the children, okay, 1 minute, I will put it somewhere on the top without disturbing me a lot. Okay, I will put it over here. Okay, now you can show it to the children that what is the formula for determinant A. Therefore, you can go for this determinant A is equal to, once again go to this ladder form. These are, I'm just giving you a practice or how to enter the determinant. Go to this matrix, go to this, okay, then is equal to, you tell them the formula AD minus BC. Now the child can understand that what they have to do to get this determinant. Okay, now what you can do now, you can go to this problem now. Therefore, you can go for latex formula. Again, go to this bracket, then go to this capital A is equal to, this problem is having some entries. The entries are going on changing. Therefore, go to this matrix, go to this. Okay, I will make it a little bit big so that I can show you clearly to you. In place of A, from the object you put A. In place of B, from the object you press B. And in place of C, from the object you press C. And in place of D, from the object you press D. Okay, now you see, when now I am changing new problem, it is also going on changing. Now go to this ABC once again. Now you can tell the children that what should be the answer. Therefore is equal to, always remember the numbers definitely may be negative or positive. For all the numbers, better to put them inside bracket. Therefore inside the bracket AD minus BC. Therefore A, then once again bracket AD, then minus, once again bracket, then B from the object. Please select B from the object only, then only it will change. Otherwise it will be shown as B only, C only there. Okay, well, now is equal to, okay, where it went? Oh, somewhere it gone. Okay, once again I will do it, no issue. Okay, it is AD minus BC is equal to, I think somewhere it went. Therefore within the bracket A, I will do, then again bracket AD, okay, minus, this is very important because the child has to understand that how the calculation is to be done. Therefore AD minus BC, therefore B, then within the bracket from the object it is C. Okay, then you press OK. Okay, now you got, okay, turn into minus, the minus turn into minus 1. Okay, now you see there is no need to show it to the children actually what it is. Now I will tell you that how to get the determinant from the GeoGebra. It is DET. That's all. Simply determinant. Click it. Which is the matrix now? It is M1. Therefore M1. Therefore click it. Automatically it is 22. Therefore go to the AB text. Go to the latex formula. Go for this bracket. Then determinant A is equal to, from the object it is E. Finish. This problem is over. Now anyway, it is a 10 plus 12, therefore it is 22. Okay, now you see, go to the new problem, new problem, new problem. If you want to hide it, I think all of you know that, go to this checkbox. In that checkbox, you type show answer. Then from there, you can hide this text 5. You can hide text 6 so that answers will not be shown to the children. You can click it to show the answer, you can click it to hide it, you can click it and you can have new problem. Okay, similarly, you can go for getting the answer for a 3x3 determinant. For that, what you have to do, you see, I will show you that how it can be done. It is very simple. You see, in the same way, for A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Similarly, you see, now for getting the first row, then it should be A multiplied by E, F, H, I minus B multiplied by D, F, G, I plus C multiplied by D, E, G, H. And you can show them the multiplication also, A into E, I minus H, F minus B into like that. Okay. Whenever you are writing any entry outside the determinant, please put it inside a bracket, because the number generated may be negative or may not be negative. We don't know it. Therefore, the child should be very clear about it. Now, what I have done is, here I have taken first row, first column. Therefore, have a check button for the first row, show only the first row. Do it for the second row, do it for the third row. Have a check button for everything, and a child can do it. Now remember, this calculation part also you can show it to the children. Minus 3 into minus 10, you have to type it in the GeoGebra. It will be saved in a separate variable. That variable also you can use. But GeoGebra is giving you the value of the determinant if the matrix is generated. That is why I have given you the idea. Whenever you are generating the numbers, try to generate the matrix also. Therefore, determinant value from the matrix can be obtained directly. Therefore, now it is highly interesting for the children to get the value of the determinant by expanding it, and then they can check the answer whether they have done it correctly. Definitely it will give them a lot of practice so that their mistakes will get minimized. Thank you. Let us learn to lead.